Okay, so I'm doing something a bit different today. Usually you see autocross and track videos on my channel. I'm doing a little bit of an unboxing of some of the goodies that are coming up for my Boxster. I got these thanks to RSpeed Motorsports. Real cool shop and local to me, so let's dig into what we got here. So first off, we've got the tie rod ends for 996 tie rod ends for my car from SPL. So doing a bit here, so really nicely packaged. I had already dug into these a little bit before, so might not be exactly as you would have gotten them, but really nicely packaged. They come nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. And then let me get everything out here and stuff out of the way here. So you get so you get all of the pieces to the arms, as well as a card with the instructions, as well as info on their Instagram, whatnot, and all that for SPL, warranty info and everything, all QR codes. And then you get an SPL sticker. So yeah, well, everything that's included, you've got some real nice arms with I think they're FKNs, if I recall correctly. These ones don't seem to have any markings on them. I know the others are FKNs, but these are really nice adjustable tie rod ends with also with some spacers, so you can adjust for bump steer. So that's going to be really nice and really useful if you were lowering and whatnot. So those are the tie rod ends. So let's actually move this box out of the way real quick. Move these off to the side. Move on to the next piece. Okay, so next, one of the things I'm really excited for, the lower control arms. So these are the 996 or 986, both compatible ones for the front. So let's get everything packaged here. Okay, so in this box, pretty similar arrangement here. You get your SPL sticker, got your building instruction sheet, whatnot. It looks like it's kind of generic. It isn't per the parts that you have, so I guess we'll find the info on their website. Yeah, and you get some really nice lower control arms here. These are the newer version of them too, so I'm excited to have the newest version of the arms. And yeah, you've got a lot of adjustment in these arms. It's going to be a huge help to improve. Well, it's going to be a lot of adjustment, which is going to be a learning curve for me. So let's set these guys off to the side here. Okay, so now next up we've got the rear lower control arms. They look very similar, so I'm going to put them off to the opposite side so I don't forget which is which. So it's packaged in much the same way. These are specific to the 986 Boxster rather than being universal. Same in the box. You get the sticker and whatnot. I'm just going to leave that in there this time because we showed it here. But yeah, these are very similar to the fronts, just going to be slightly different, as the Boxster uses slightly different rear suspension. Same idea though. So let's set these guys off the other side here. And next up, we've got the front caster arms, or I guess trailing arms, or whatever you'd like to call them. So we got a stack of spacers of some sort, a couple bolts, and we got the 2 trailing arms, that similar card and everything inside the box here to the other ones. So these come with the lower control arm, so it's like a set. So these ones go with the front control arms there. These are also real nice, real lightweight. We got and adjustable, unlike the factory ones. So that's going to be nice to be able to adjust these as well. And then finally, we have the rear trailing arms for the 986. So yeah, again, these ones are different. Suspension geometry is different in the rear. Same level of packaging. These ones are quite long. They're going to take up a lot of space on the table here. And these come with the rear control arms. So we've got those. This is a different box than the rest of them, I guess because it's so long. It also didn't come with the sticker or card, so that's a bit interesting that these don't come with those. But that's a bunch of stuff that I got from SPL that I'm really excited to install. It's going to be a really awesome setup, and I can't wait.